you can actually restream your videos, videos you have on your gallery using just YouTube app, or you can use YouTube and CapCut. Okay, I will show you how. It is very, very easy. This is not even Livestream.io. It is not StreamYard. It is not any restreaming app. It is just your YouTube app. And if you don't want to use CapCut or InstaShot or all these editing apps, you can just use any video you already have in your gallery. So the idea is just to have a good picture in your gallery that you want to restream with, and then you go live and then start streaming that video, or start streaming the video and then go live. Okay, it is very easy. After using it, it is very effective. If you take a look at this particular video here, you will see that this is a video I streamed. This is a live stream I streamed using this particular method, and you can see the number of watch hours. It's going to 50, and this is really massive. Okay, so if you are a new YouTuber who has been struggling to gather your 4,000 watch hour, this particular method will help you gather your 4,000 watch hour. Okay, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is the first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. So with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of today's video. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people complaining or crying that, oh, I use Livestream.io and after getting monetized, my channel got demonetized. A lot of people say, oh, the dark side of Livestream.io and all of that. And, as a small YouTuber, I was really looking for how I can restream my videos, go live and do all those things that Livestream.io help us achieve. And in my quest for that, I discovered that I can restream my video using just YouTube app. Now, this is not just a video. This particular thing you're seeing here is a live stream I had on my channel, and this live stream ran for over 2 hours, and the result was something else. Okay, this is exactly what I want to show you how to achieve with your live stream. I discovered this method a few weeks ago, and I've tried using it. And while streaming with this particular method, some people have come to ask me, oh, how are you able to stream? Or they ask me, which app am I using to stream? And I'm like, this is just YouTube app. It is not Livestream.io. It is not StreamYard. It is not any other thing. I used to say that everything you need to succeed in this particular YouTube is right here inside this particular YouTube. And I remember when I tried using Livestream.io to restream, I think that was last year. I think the minimum I have to pay for a month to use Restream is $10. I don't know, I have not used it, but those that have used it will be in a better position to tell me or tell us how Restream.io or any other streaming app charges, for you to stream using their platform. But I know it is not free. It is definitely not free. But this particular one I'm about to show you, you'll be able to stream your videos for free. And the beautiful part of this is that there's no limited time to how long you can stream. You can stream for 1 hour, even up to 10 hours. If you want to stream for 2 days, you can also stream. Okay, it is very easy and it is free. Okay, so if this is something you're interested in learning, make sure you watch this video and pay attention as I explain to you step by step how you'll be able to do it. In fact, it was even 2 of my subscribers that asked me, because I use this streaming method to go live, and then I use the still photo method, which is the green screen method. You understand that one you do with Google and YouTube app? Yes, the 2. So I have promised to make this video long ago, but a lot of things, but I'm making it now. And if you're seeing this video and you're interested in this particular topic, you want to grow your watch hour, you want to monetize your YouTube channel, make sure you pay attention to this video and don't miss any particular one. So the first one I will show you now is how to go live using just the just YouTube app. Okay, how to use a video you already have in your gallery to stream. That's the first one I will show you. Then after this one, now I will show you how you can use the still photos to go live, like using it as your green screen if you don't want to put your face to stream your live stream. Please pay attention to this particular tutorial I'm about to show you, okay, so that you don't miss anything. Now the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the video I will just because of the kind of phone I'm using, that's why. But on your phone, you can just go to your camera and play any video. So all of these videos here, I can use any of them. If you check my recent live stream, you will see that some of these videos you see here are videos I've used to stream my live, okay. So now you pick a video you want to use for your live stream, okay. Just put it like this, or just choose anyone. Make sure it's here on your camera. Then you go to your you go to your YouTube app. When you go to your YouTube app, please pay attention. No, when you go to your YouTube app, then you just edit your live, put any topic you want to use, okay. Like let me just just join. I know that in my live stream sometimes I use this as a topic. Then you change the visibility to public so that people can join the live stream, okay. When you're done with that, now make sure that the audience for this live stream is selected as not made for kids, okay, so that your people can interact in your live stream. Then if you like to add a description to your live stream, you can add. If you don't like to add, you can leave it like that, okay. Then for this your live stream now to be a video recording, like for people to watch the video you were about to play for them, what you need to do now is to select this screencasts. I forgot to tell you people, the previous recording, like the one you're going to watch after this one now, I did it with an iPhone. It doesn't have this function of screencast, or maybe I have not I don't know how to set it on my iPhone, but this is, I'm using an Android. This is itel X18 Pro, okay. You can do this with Techno, Infinix, Oppo, Redmi, any Android phone, okay, or even iPhone, okay. But I've not discovered how to do it with my iPhone. This is my Android phone, okay. So you choose this screencast, you turn it on. When you have turned it on, then you click on next. Are you getting it now? So now when you click on next, it will give you all these tips that you're about to enter screen broadcast. Anything on your screen is going to be visible, blah blah blah. Then you click on this is exactly how you can achieve restreaming your videos using just YouTube app. But make sure that you're using a video that does not have a music that can get you copyright. If possible, you can go to your editing apps and remove the music and choose maybe a music that does not have any copyrights or needs, okay. If you're getting value from this video, please do well to like it, share it, so other people can also get this information, and also drop me your comments to tell me if you're going to be trying this particular method. So the next one we're going to be learning now is how you can use a still photo for your background. You know, like if you don't want to put your face on the screen to stream, or if you're streaming and you have an emergency and you have to leave this screen, okay, you can introduce this green screen like this picture, so people in your audience don't get bored or start leaving, okay. You put a picture that is entertaining. So I'm going to be showing you the process of how to do, because it's two different process, okay. But I just want to combine it in this video so that this video can like be value packed for you. So pay attention as I take you step by step how you can stream using just a still picture, and you can stream for hours, okay. And while streaming, you can even decide to change the pictures to put something else. You can change the pictures, put something else, and if once the picture is there, you can even be talking and people will be hearing your voice, but they won't see your face, if that is what you want, okay. So the next thing you need to do is locate your browser, and then you go to Google. When you get to Google, you type free photos or free pictures, whichever one. Then you use either Pixabay or you use Pixel. I'm using Pixabay. Then I will just scroll on the interface
to see if I will see any good pictures that's related to what I want to stream, if it's morning, afternoon, or party, or weekend, or anything. I love this baby picture too much. I would have used it, but YouTube will not let people interact on the live stream while using baby picture, so I will just leave it. So I think that cat picture is cute too. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I will choose this cat picture because I've been streaming with cat for some days. So I want to download it now. So after downloading, it should be in my gallery. Okay. So this is it. Very beautiful. So I'll go to my gallery to see if the picture is already downloaded there. So whether it's here or not, I still have some cool pictures in my gallery. So let's go to YouTube. So you open your app and click on the plus button to start your live stream. Once this interface opens like this, the next thing you need to do is to start to edit your live stream. So the first thing you need to do is to change the title to, let's use tutorial live stream. Yes, I think we should use it so anybody joining will know, or anybody sees it later will know this is what we did with this live stream. So we choose tutorial live stream, like and subscribe. Then when you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to change the visibility. I already said that in the previous video. Change it to public so people can join. If it's on private, people will not be able, or unlisted, people will not see it. Then change the audience to not made for kids. Okay, so that people can interact on your live stream. So when you're done with that, you go and look for a good picture you want to use for the thumbnail. Sometimes, or most times, thumbnail is what attracts people to your live stream to come and see what you're doing. So I'll look for a good picture that we'll use for the thumbnail of this particular live stream. So I'll use this one of a video I shot. Go and see that video, is on my channel. Okay, so I use this one now. So when you're done setting all of these things, we are all good to go. So the next thing we have to do right now is to go live. Let's just wait for YouTube to launch us into our live stream. So now we are live. So immediately you're live like this, the next thing you need to do is to click this drop down arrow here on your left hand side, and then you choose the sixth icon there. That's the green screen. So you click on it. Once you click on it, the background of your live stream is going to turn green. Okay. So now the next thing you need to do is you go to your gallery and then look for a good picture. Had it been the cat picture we downloaded was there, we would have used it because I love that picture very much. So just scroll in your gallery to choose a cool photo for this background. This picture you're choosing is what will be streaming to people. So let's use this one. I love this one so much because I'm looking very beautiful in this picture. So I've choose that picture. The next thing I need to do right now is to click on the first icon by my right hand side there to take this video backward and bring the picture forward. Okay, so this is exactly how my live stream will be for as long as I want this live stream to last. Okay, and you can also change the picture. If after some time you want to change this picture, you can remove it and put another picture. It is the same process. And if you want the pictures to be gone and then your face to show on the screen, you can also go and off it and then your face will show. But the idea is for you to stream with a still picture for as long as you can. Okay, and people will definitely join the live stream. So this is it. It is very, very easy. And once you're done streaming, all you need to do is just the way you end your live stream. There's no other big thing we are doing here. Just end the live stream and that's it. So I'll be ending this live stream now so people joining will not wonder what we are doing. Okay,
If you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour for monetization, you can try, in fact you should try this method because it will help you gather your watch hours. Okay, it is very, very easy. If you're going to try it out, let me know. Okay, and if you also have other methods which one can also gather their watch hour, also let me know in the comment section, or let me know how you're gathering your watch hours. Okay, and let me know if this method is going to be of help to you. I would like to know in the comment section. I hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.